Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up, we have Halloween by Creeper. Checking out Creeper's code, we can see some if then else blocks, when I receive blocks, and when actor collides blocks. With Halloween just right around the corner, defeat the monsters as a ghost. Next up we have Mini Golf by Jeff the Bot. In Jeff's code we see broadcast blocks, start physics blocks, and when I receive blocks too. Test your skills in this awesome game of mini golf. Here we have Pop the Lock, Hard 1 by Glaring Competitor. Looking at the code we have when I receive blocks, broadcast blocks, and else if then blocks. Tap the screen whenever the red dot overlaps the green dot. Careful, as it gets faster every single time. Lastly, we have Basic Snake Game by Aged Laugh. In this text coding project, play the classic snake game and rack up the highest score. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.